Yeah, man. Good morning, everyone. It's another Monday morning, another new market day. Oh, well, anyway, we got problems here with this software that I'm using to record this video, So, if there's a kind of any problem about lagging, so please take it easy. All right, let's start. Okay, because we've seen this so far. Looking at this, we've seen some kind of rejection over this zone. Let me see. We've seen rejection here. Now maybe you guys can see that this screen is about to lag a little bit. Gone through some problem setting up this recording stuff. Yeah. Would have loved to paint it a little bit of red, but okay. So this is it. Alright, this is it. We've seen a rejection all through to this zone right here. Okay, we've seen a rejection. Do one more of this. We have zones here that we've seen some kind of, Okay, let's say this is it. We've seen rejection from here to here, breaking this, coming back for a little test. Okay, great. Now I think we're talking about this. We want to break this one. This box is what we want to break based on all this rejection. Something's dragging and lagging on this. So from this rejection, breaking this box with this candlestick and going back for a retest of this that it broke. If you can see, it went back for a retest. Now, what happened? We have seen all these things to understand that yes, we're going down on this. We're going down. So definitely the next box to break is this one. Okay. So let me show you this. The next box to break is this one, as you can see. So what I did is that since I understand that we're going down, man, I put my own direct buy entry here. Maybe you can see my own direct buy entry here, and this is the exit. Let me draw that exit properly so you guys can see it. You see, the exit is here. Yeah, this green here is the exit. You can see it. This is it. 0.88614. That is the exit. For now, that is where we're thinking of going, because in the long run, we're gonna break this green. Okay, and we're coming here or here in the long run. But for now, this is where we're coming. Okay, when we get here, we're gonna bounce back. Okay, then we're gonna come down this way. But for now, this is what we got to go and take. This one, take this green, and then forget about later, man. Too many opportunities will come in the market, so there's no point in hanging in too long and struggling with it. Just get this green 0.88614 and leave it alone.